Welcome to XLTOOL. Before started, delete old software version. Disable antivirus program. Add software path in Excel trust location. Enable Excel macros. Install Excel latest service pack. Read software help template. Go website download tab, see link below. Click on download link. Fill up download form. Zip file will start to download. Keep zip file in D drive. Extract setup file from zip format. If require, install setup file. All files will download on same folder. To start software, click on Excel file. Open Excel 32-bit or 64-bit file. Download and try. Thank you.